Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to get students into your Google Classroom. So after you create your Google Classroom, you will get a code. And this class code is specific for this class. So please take note of your class code. It can be found here on your header of your class up here in the top left corner. You can simply click on the broken box to display this class code to your students if you're in class. Um, so that's one way, and this is the easiest way to get students into your class is simply share the class code with them. The second way is inviting them via email. And if you have email enabled in your domain for students, then this is another way that you can invite students to your class. So you click on the People tab, and under the Student section, you click the Invite Student icon, and you have to actually type in their name or email address. So I'm going to type in my test student, I select her, and then I click invite. And then what happens is the student receives an email invitation, and the student has to accept the invite. So they're really not active in the class until they are accepted. So again, in my opinion, the easiest way to get students into your class is simply share the class code. I hope you found this screencast helpful.